Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and today I'll be sharing the 4 awesome apps to make money from your phone in 2019. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below this video right now. And also hit the bell button, because you just want to hit the bell button, because the next time when I upload a video, you actually get a notification. If you're looking to make money from home, tips and tricks, you definitely want to subscribe. So let's head down right now to the 4 apps you can make money. Now, the first app is called FOP. Now, what FOP really does is how it works is you can actually sell your content online. Okay, and how do you do that is by uploading your videos and photos to this app. Okay, it's available in both Android and iPhone, and you just need to upload them. And how it works is that when somebody likes the video or the videos and photo and purchase them, all right, the FOP actually shares the profit with you 50-50. Okay, so if you are, you use a lot of Instagram, you like taking photos, this is definitely a must do, and to utilize this app to make money. Now, the second one is called Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, now Google basically values your opinion. Okay, and when you download this app, all you need to do is it's just like a survey app you download, and you answer quick surveys in this app during your free time. When you're driving, you get stuck in a traffic jam, or waiting for your girlfriend or waiting for your boyfriend. Okay, you can actually do this and get paid. Now, the third app is called Rewardable. Wow, look at that. The amount of cash, the app that pays you cash. And the way to earn using this app called Rewardable app is actually by watching videos, completing surveys, and doing daily sweepstakes. Okay, and not just that, when you are at a certain location in a store, you can actually give product feedback, and also paid for visiting certain retail stores and answer trivia. Okay, so very simple how it works. You complete simple tasks such as survey videos, and you get cash back by receiving get cash out rewards by receiving real cash through your PayPal account, and you get paid even bigger rewards and bonuses as your profile grows. The fourth app that pays is called Dosh. Okay, Dosh Cash is also available both in the Apple Store and Google Play. And what it does is, when you install this and you actually pay, it's like a credit card, right? You connect to your card, and when you shop and dine out, you actually receive cash back. Okay, and I'm going to teach you one trick that my friend actually did to make a lot of money. Okay, is through this app, you actually get paid $5 for everyone who signs up and links a verified card. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a strategy right now. And the strategy is this: you have lots of WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and even Telegram groups. All you need to do is recommend people to sign up to this app. Okay, and just imagine if you have 100 people who sign up, and that's easily $500. All right, and you can actually cash out through PayPal as well. Okay, so this is I'll leave a link below to all this information, these websites and app that I've mentioned in the link description in this video. Now, if you find value in this video, please hit the like button and share it, and I really appreciate it. This is not how I make money online. If you want to know more, okay, check out my #1 recommendation in the comment below.